On today's episode of Footnotes, we're going to start a series all about websites, or what we call them at 6th Avenue Storytelling, are story sites, because our websites are story-driven and are very different from your typical website. I'm going to spend the next few episodes talking about the ins and outs of what we think makes a story site or a really effective website. First couple things to know is your website should make you money. Your website should not be a place where you just dump a bunch of information and treat it like an encyclopedia. Your website should have a customer do something, and it should encourage and facilitate and be a part of how you make money. If your website is not making you money, it is not working. What I mean by an encyclopedia is most brands and businesses take their website and it has all this tons and tons and tons of information about who they are and their features and the awards they won and how their uncle started it. All those things do not help make you money. Your website should talk to your customer and encourage them to take action. You should give them a clear path to follow to make their life better. Customer, here's what you want. Here's the problems you have. Here's how our product makes your life better. Here's the step I want you to take so that I can take your money and help serve you and solve your problems. If your website is not doing that, if your website is giant like an encyclopedia and has tons and tons of words, you're losing out. It's not working.